A tornado is a rotating, funnel-shaped cloud that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground with whirling winds that can reach 300 miles per hour. Damage paths of tornadoes can be in excess of 1 mile wide and 50 miles long. Tornadoes can occur when a warm front meets a cold front, forming a thunderstorm, which then can spawn one or more twisters. A tornado may appear nearly transparent until dust and debris are picked up or a cloud forms within the funnel. Twisters strike predominantly along Tornado Alley, a flat stretch of land from western Texas to North Dakota. This region is a hotspot for tornadoes because the dry polar air from Canada meets the warm, moist tropical air from the Gulf of Mexico.